I want to make the configuration item field as read only. Okay, I'll actually make the configuration item field as read only. So read only means true, you have to keep here. Boolean value as true. Configuration item has become read only or not. Using scripting, we are able to make the field read only. Similar way, if there is a field already read only and you want to make that as editable, you have to keep here the value as false here. So next line I am actually keeping here as false. So this line is actually making the field read only true. This line is actually making field read only false. Finally, it will be editable. Okay. Understand, right? Okay.